Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all the views and all the support that I've had for my first video. It's been unbelievably incredible and I'm amazed by all the feedback and positive vibes that I've had from everybody. So thank you so much. It's been really good. Hopefully you're going to continue on the rest of the journey with me through the rest of my videos as well. So I've had quite a few requests from a few of my subscribers for me to get a video out there of my favorite products. So what I'm really into at the moment, what I love, and what's getting me through my day. So today I've got 3 skincare products for you and I've got 4 makeup products for you to go through. Some of them are drugstore, some of them are high end, but we've got a bit of both. So let's get started. So my first product that I'm going to show you guys today is literally my be all and end all. It's my holy grail, can't live without it. Put it on every night, literally can't live without it. The brand of this is Eco by Sonia Driver, if you guys can see that in the monitor. So this is her Glory Oil. So as you can see, this bottle's pretty much almost gone. This is my second bottle already of the 100 mils. This one's available in 100 mils, and I think that one's $120, and the 30 mils is $50. So it is a little bit pricey. If you're not so sure how it's going to work out for you guys, then try on the 30 mil and start with that. But I can guarantee you that once you've tried this, you will not look back. It is just absolutely amazing. I feel like when I use this product, my skin feels a lot more luminescent, it's more plump. It's just hydrated, much more hydrated than if I just go in with a moisturizer and don't use this beforehand. It's really great for stretch marks, scarring. It calms your skin. So if you've got a lot of redness and stuff on your skin, it'll help calm that as well. I have a lot of problems with my skin when it comes to using products for my skincare. My skin is very sensitive. I break out within 2 seconds with a lot of things that have fillers and a lot of crap in there that you just don't need for your skin. So I like to stick to the natural and organic range, and this does it for me. So like I said, if you guys haven't checked out her stuff, check it out because I've pretty much got everything in her range. The next product that I'm going to show you in my skincare range is also from her. This one is called her Face Tan Water. This one is an amazing product for all those fake tanners out there. I know my skin is naturally super pale, and I do like to put a little bit of fake tan on every once in a while. This one I like to use every second night. I put it on before I put my toner, then I follow with my Glory Oil and then my moisturizer. It just leaves my skin with a sun-kissed natural glow. It doesn't look like I've got fake tan on. It doesn't streak at all. And it's literally, if you can see here, I'll open this up for you guys and just show you. As you can see here, it's pretty much just like it is water, really. And that's what's so good about it. It's not a cream, it's not a mousse, it's nothing like that. It's literally like you're putting toner on your skin. It smells beautiful, doesn't have any unnatural fragrances in it. Again, it's a gradual liquid self-tanner. It retails for $34.95 on her website. There's nothing artificial in there and it's completely free from any synthetic ingredients. As I said before, completely certified organic and natural. It's got things in there like aloe vera, it's got orange peel, rose geranium, and it's even got natural hyaluronic acid in it. So it's fantastic for your face. Not only does it give you a little bit of color and look like you've been out in the sun all day, but it's also fantastic for your skin as well. As I said before, my skin is really sensitive and a lot of things break me out, and that's skincare and makeup included. But I do have one product that seems to help me every single time I get those blemishes, and that's the Noosa Basics Acne Spot Drying Lotion. So as you can see here, it does separate in the bottle. Mine's gone a little bit more together because I've been shaking it around and moving it around, but it does completely separate. So you've got the pink in the bottom and you've got the water in the top. So all you need to do for this product is get yourself a cotton bud, dip it into the bottle and get right down to the pink sediment at the bottle, swish it around a little bit in the pink sediment and pull it out. Put it on the blemish. I like to leave it on overnight, and then usually when I wake up in the morning, the pimple's pretty much gone. I haven't found a lot of things that work when it comes to blemishes, and this is absolutely incredible. This one's completely and 100% natural. It's got some beautiful ingredients in there like witch hazel, it's got calamine lotion, rose water, and tea tree for those antibacterial properties as well. Now we're going to move on to the makeup products. So as I said, I've got 4 products to show you. You might have seen me use a couple of these products in my video that I uploaded the other day, but I'd have to say that my one holy grail at the moment in terms of makeup has to be my foundation. I am very cool toned and very pink base, and I do find it quite difficult to find a foundation that suits my complexion. And this is probably one of the best foundations I've ever tried in my life. The color that I use is rosy beige, so if anybody has a similar coloring to me, that's probably the color that you want to go and try. It's available at Mecca and it's about $70 retail. As I said before, I like to use all natural and organic products, and this one is completely organic. So it's got things in there like coconut oils, grapeseed, and fruit stem cells. It's got vitamin C and E. It has no silicones in it, no parabens, no petroleum, no artificial dyes or synthetic fragrances, and a whole lot more stuff that it doesn't have as well, which is fantastic for your skin. I find that a lot of foundations break me out because of my sensitive skin, and this one just doesn't do that for me. It doesn't clog my pores at all, but it doesn't sink into my pores either. So it sits really nicely on the skin and gives you that really nice skin-like texture, and doesn't even really look like I'm wearing makeup, which is fantastic and what I really like about it. So check out Juice Beauty and check out their foundation as well. They've got some awesome stuff in their range. My next product that I'm going to show you guys from my makeup side of things is one of my go-to products. So I did feature it in my video that I uploaded the other day, so you might have seen it in there. This is my Revolution Makeup Highlighter Reloaded, and this color here is Dare to Divulge. So it's kind of a rose gold peachy kind of highlighter. It works really well with my skin tone, and man, does it pack a punch. I don't know if you can see it on my skin today, but I've got it on my brow bone, my inner corner, and also my cheekbones. And it really gives you a nice, beautiful highlighter. I do like a highlighter that's quite powerful. If you don't like a highlighter that's really bold, you can build this one up. So you can start off really small, and if you like it, great. If you want to put some more on, go ahead and put some more on. I think I mentioned in my last video before, but I am a massive lover of highlighter, and I'm just like, the more highlighter, the better. So go ahead and put on as much as you want. I could pretty much bathe in this stuff. I think it's amazing. The great thing also about Makeup Revolution is that their products are all cruelty-free and vegan. So if I swatch this for you guys just on the back of my hand here, you can see here just in one wipe, the pigment that's in that. It's just amazing and really does give a really nice bang to the skin. So my next holy grail product has got to be the be all and end all of powders. This is the Nakia Joy Cosmetics Translucent Velvet Finishing Powder. This one retails for $55. It only comes in the one color because it is 100% completely translucent. It controls your shine for up to 16 hours and blurs all your fine lines. It blurs your pores. It minimizes your pores. It's triple milled, so when you put it on your skin, it feels like velvet, hence the name Velvet Finishing Powder. It's got 6 power ingredients in it, so it's got things in it like green tea extract, it's got vitamin A, vitamin E, aloe vera, sweet almond oil, and also coconut aminos as well. So not only does it blow your skin and all your pores and get rid of all those blemishes and set your makeup for 16 hours of shine control, but it also has some great ingredients in there for your skin. I definitely won't be swapping to any other powder. I just love the ways this sits on my skin. I literally feel like my makeup's truly complete once I've put this on. So this powder does set down to a matte finish, but definitely for any of those girls or guys out there that have problems with oily skin, you definitely need to get this Nakia Joy Cosmetics powder. She's made it for people with oily skin. She has oily skin type herself, and she knows what it's like. 16 hours of good solid wear out of this powder. It's fantastic. Now, my last product that I want to show you guys from my makeup range today has probably got to be my favorite mascara that I've ever used. Although I do have fake lashes on today, so you can't quite tell how it makes my lashes look, it's probably the only mascara that I've ever put on and actually gone, wow, I don't need to put falsies on today. So this one here is the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot in Blackest Black. Now they do have a few mascaras in the Colossal range, and I have tried a fair few of them, but definitely this one for me is the one that makes my lashes look the longest and the fullest. So this one retails for $19.95. So it's a really great drugstore mascara that anybody can use. So those are all my holy grail favorite products at the moment. I hope you guys enjoyed them. Please make sure you check them out. Click subscribe so that you guys can follow me, and hit the little bell button to make sure that you're notified of any new videos that I bring out. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys want to see next. I love the feedback and I love listening to what you guys have to say. Thanks again for watching my video, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!